What make you think we go sad? None no breaks, no car.
Good evening viewers and subscribers. I'm just come across this information here. I'm going to tell you the truth. I heard and made it talk about it and I say alright, I go check it out for myself. So doing a little research on my own and this me come up with a message on my article on my website. Dancehall artist Intense was involved in a motor vehicle accident on Tuesday, July 14. According to the source close to the DJ, the accident occurred on Old Hope Road in Kingston. A photo from the accident shows the right side of Intense white Mercedes Benz badly damaged. The artist purchased the vehicle back in February of this year. So people, that amount of information I have by just reading the article. So then they say I'm in a good condition and things, I just the car damage. And thank God I'm not losing life because I know the things are set already. I'm going to play the clip, I'm going to see it all the short still. So. Welcome again people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.